Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. This is your English period and today please open your workbooks. Students, as you know that we have finished our activities of the poem A Night in June from our book, and today we are going to start our activities from workbook. Will you please skip this page number 5th, and we are going to do from the activities of page number 6. The first exercise is about alphabetical order. The question is, arrange these lists in alphabetical order. First, find the word that does not fit in the list and cross it out. Students, they have given you three lists of words and they belongs to someone, something particular, and they want us to manage these lists according to alphabetical order. Before doing this, it is important to know what is alphabetical order. Students, alphabetical order is an order where by putting words in order we learn to concentrate on the spellings or the order of the letters and sounds. If you will be capable to recognize all these quickly, you will be also able to find the words in a dictionary quickly and with ease. By knowing the alphabetical order, you becomes able to find the words to find in the dictionary as well. So here the first list is, I'm pronouncing the words: Colin, Zaid, Quetta, Nick, Hassan, Maryam, Ali. What is common in all these words and what is uncommon in, or you can say the something you feel odd which is not fit in this list? Yes, they all are the names of some people, but only Quetta is the name of the city, right? Colin, Zaid, Nick, Hassan, Maryam and Ali are the names of persons, but the Quetta is the name of city. So we will first we will put them according to alphabetical order, and here comes Ali, then Colin, then Hassan, Maryam, Nick, Quetta and Zaid, and we will circle Quetta because this is the odd one out. Okay, why? Because it is not the name of person, it is the name of a city. In number B, only, some, few, bank, lots, only and every. What do you think? What is common with all these words? These all words are quantifiers. And what are the quantifiers? Quantifiers are the words or phrases which are used before a noun to indicate the amount or quality of something. They are telling us about the quality of something, isn't it? Any, some, few, lots, only. But here is one which is not the quantifier, and that is bank. So first we will put them according to alphabetical order: any, bank, every, few, lots, only and some. And then we will circle bank. Why? Because it is not suiting in the list. That is why we are crossing it or we are circling it. C is, I'm pronouncing the words first: boat, bring, basket, bell, bison, bullet and bus. What is common with all these words and which word is different and not matching and not suiting in the list? Students, these all words are the nouns. Boat, basket, bell, bison, bullet and bus, they are all nouns. But bring, it is not noun. What is it? It is a verb. So first we will put them according to alphabetical order: basket, bell, bison, boat, bring, bullet and bus. Students, you see what is the difficult part of while doing this these words in alphabetical order? that you see that many words, rather all words, have the same first letter, isn't it? B for basket, B for bell, B for bison, B for boat and bring and bullet and bus. They all have the same first letter. So they are sorted by their second letter. After that, the third or the fourth letter. If the first letters are the same, then the second letters are compared and so on until the order is decided. Got it? So that is how we put these words in alphabetical order, and then circle the bring. Why? Because this is not noun, this is our verb. Hope you have understood this activity. I'm repeating once again that what is the alphabetical order. By putting words in order, we learn to concentrate on spellings and the order of the words or letters. And when we are capable enough to recognize as quickly in doing all this activity, we will be able to find words in a dictionary quickly, right? And second thing is that if many words have the same first letter, then we sorted them out by their second letter or their third letter or fourth letter, or until the whole list is sorted out. Hope you have understood this activity.